If you're seeing X or Twitter error 215, don't worry, you're not alone. This error usually means bad authentication data, which can happen when your login session is broken, your browser cookies are corrupted, your account details need verification, or your computer time is out of sync. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into X and use it normally again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the easiest method first. Do a clean logout and log back in. On X, click your profile icon or the three dots in the bottom left corner. Then choose Logout. After that, close the browser tab completely. Don't just refresh it. Open a brand new tab or window, go back to the X login page, and sign in again with your username and password. This fresh login can fix a broken session and replace bad authentication data with a new one. If that does not solve it, the next thing to check is your account information. From the left menu, click More, then choose Settings and Privacy, and then go into your account. Here, make sure your email address and phone number are verified. If X is asking you to complete any pending security check or verification request, finish that process right away. Sometimes error 215 appears simply because the platform cannot fully validate your account until those details are confirmed. Now let's move on to one of the most effective fixes, clearing your browser cache and cookies. On a Windows PC, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. In the Clear Browsing Data menu, set the time range to all time. Then, make sure cookies and other site data is selected, along with cached images and files. Once those options are checked, click Clear Data. After that, sign back into X and try again. Old cookies can often hold damaged session tokens, and clearing them gives your browser a fresh start. Another important fix is syncing your computer system time. X uses time-sensitive authentication tokens, so even a small clock mismatch can cause login problems. On Windows, right-click the clock in the taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. Then scroll down and click Sync Now under the clock synchronization section. After the time is updated, refresh your browser and test X again. This is a surprisingly common reason for authentication errors, especially if your clock drifted while your device was off for a while. If you are still getting the error, try switching your network route. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off and reconnect using your normal internet connection. In some cases, the opposite may help too, depending on your region or ISP. The goal is to rule out a connection path that X is blocking or treating as suspicious. After changing the network route, reload the page and try logging in once more. If you have followed all of these steps and error 215 is still showing, try a different browser or an incognito window because that can help confirm whether the issue is tied to your local browser data. You can also wait a little while and try again later, since sometimes the problem can be temporary on X's side. The key is to work through the fixes in order: clean logout, verify account details, clear cookies, sync time, and test your connection. I hope this helped you fix X or Twitter error 215 quickly. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.